You know what I'ma say? Say hi to your camera, baby. Here's the huge, big Boxycharm Luxe box. Boxycharm is usually like, no lie, this big. Oh, the Boxycharm unboxing, yeah. Oh, look, he got scared. The huge pamphlet. Ching, ching, ching. Ceramic mini styling tool. Got blue. Aw, it's pretty. Oh my god, this is the tiniest thing in the world. I really thought the plate was gonna be so much bigger. Bro, this is not even half an inch. This is like 1/4 of an inch. What the heck am I gonna freaking iron with this? Wow. Glam AF bag. This is so big. And it comes with a portable charger on the inside. Yo, how cool is that? It says Crimes of Beauty. So blush, like blushes and highlight from Wander Beauty. Ooh, this smells so nice. It's a spongy body wash infused buffer. MS Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Cream. This carb is like $90 and they gave it to us. I don't know why it's so much, but boom. Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. This is the Lorac Pro Mascara. Ooh, this one has a nice curl to it. So you can see right here, it's gonna give you even more of a curl. The Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette. This is huge and heavy. Oh, okay, fancy. Surrounded by cardboard, so it really doesn't get messed up. Now, here's the moment of truth. Hopefully no eyeshadows got messed up. Yes, it is beautiful. Oh my god. Wow, my makeup is really terrible. I hope you can't tell on the camera. Girl, hope it's not blinding you. And here are the gorgeous shadows. Bro, this right here is worth the whole box. But not only do we get this, we get a whole set of brushes. A whole set. $50 sounds like a lot, but it's worth it. Look how much crap you get. You get face brushes and eyeshadow brushes as well. I always get Luxe brushes in the Boxycharm, and I've tried them before and they're expensive but so soft and so worth it. Got the Tarte Lip Shimmering Lip Paint. So this is a lip gloss and Strike Gold. Oh, they gave me the gold one. Ugh. That is everything in the box. I'll definitely be playing with some of these things, selling some of these things, you already know. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment. Share this video with others. Tell a friend to subscribe. Have a blessed day. Bye. I'll probably be trying all of this out in a future video soon.